Hi guys, so today we are going to unbox Godox V1 Pro S, which is there for Sony. So yeah, if you do some event photography or anything, you always need a flash to go with it. Obviously, especially if it's a night event or something, you have to keep this option in your bag all the time so that you can use it whenever it is needed. So Godox is a very good option in that case. It's cheaper and it's perfect for such events. It never disappoints. So here is a new model from Godox, which is V1 Pro. It is actually upgraded version of the previous Godox, which was V1. So what is different between this one and the other one is some extra features, some more technical aspects, which we will talk about. So let's open it, see what do we have in the box. So inside the box, we have some instructions manual. As always, we find it in every option. And then this pouch, and this pouch have this light. This is a flashlight, which is pretty smooth, and this feels good, and it's very sleek. And yeah, it has a round shape which gives you more a natural light feel when you are shooting. They moved from the rectangular one to this round globe one, which is actually nice, because it gives you the feel like you are shooting something in the natural light instead of using some flash. It gives you this radical surface along with it. So this is really nice design from them. It has 270 degree of rotation for the light if you have to, you know, use it to uh, get some reflection from the back or bounce from. And then you have this 360 rotation for rotating the whole light as well. If you look at the top of it, yeah, it has all those features same as the other Godox flashlights. The layout is almost same, just like the others. But this dial here, this is really very smooth from the previous ones. I like this thing. And again, this is the mount to use for Sony. Yeah, stuff. I guess we have some lock here, some extra lock is here. So you just remove this. This is out and this is for Sony mounts. Yeah, so this is something to lock, which is easier now. Just click it and it's locked here. This is the main, and then we have a pouch with it. This pouch is really smooth. It has more padding in it from the previous one, and it has a little bit of design to it as well. You see, it's a bit sleek from this side, and you can use this strap for keeping something here, and then you have strap if you have to put it to your waist or something. So you can use this, and after that we have some small pocket here as well. So this pouch is nice. I like it. From here, now we have a small stand if in case you are going to use it as a secondary flash, because it has TTL option as well. So you can combine it with other flashes of yours, which are for 2.4G, I guess. Then this will be handy. And here is the battery for this Godox. It's a lithium battery, and what the claim is you can take exactly 500 shots using this battery, and it goes right here. You see this small hole inside it. So you just put it and that's it. It's clicked. Now it will not come out until unless you press this button and push it from here. It's out and it's in. You can hear the small click. So it's pretty nice. It has USB Type-C charging, so you can charge it from the Type-C, which is common nowadays because everyone is using Type-C nowadays. So this is really nice. This is about the battery. What else do we have in the box? In this small box. Let's open and see what it holds inside. Ah, it's a charger. That's a new thing. So they have provided us with a charger which is around 10 watt to charge the battery. And one side it's USB Type A, which actually gets this wire inside from here. for type A and to charge your battery using this type C. So this is one good thing about Godox, that they have provided the charger and along with it the type C cable. And second best thing is you can charge your battery for type C, because nowadays everything is almost type C. So it's a good thing about it. They have kept it using whatever is going on nowadays to be used for such stuff. So yeah, this is it. This is what we have in this package. This flash, we will use it, we will see some results, and I'll share it with you in the very next video. Feel wise, it's very smooth, you know, it feels like very premium. And then yeah, this is it. But along with, let me show you, there is one more add-on to this flash, which is a mini flash, which you can find in the same box. And yeah, here it is. So it is a secondary flash which goes with this flash along with it here. How to fit it? So I guess you have to remove something from here and then it goes inside there. Yeah, like this. Okay, let me try. So you push it down there and it goes inside. Yeah, so this works as a secondary flash for you. For example, either you can use both of them together if you need more light, if it's a night event or nightclub events. Mostly they are dark places and you're not able to get lots of light there, so you can use both of them, or you can use it as a fill light and then this one as a front light. So this will be used for the filler and this will be your main light. So this is a new addition to it in this Godox V1 Pro, that you have one extra flash light with it. So these are actually two flashlights which you have in one. So this looks nice. It goes in easily. It has a clip to it. And yeah, it will be very helpful if you are doing some night shots where you need more light than this one. Or maybe if your battery goes out for this one, you can even use this one. But yeah, other than that, design is really good. Everything looks nice, except if I take this battery out, I see a hole here which looks weird, but that's fine. And yeah, you just click it inside. The other best part is the battery itself has a charging port outside, so you can use it along with while you're charging it. So it's a good part about it. Other than that, whatever features it has, how it goes, we have to look into it, and we will do a full review of V1 Pro, getting some pictures out of it and comparing them with other Godox lights and see how it goes out. Till then, goodbye.